Do you want to get paid to lose weight? Yes, sounds like a win-win, right? Well, in this exciting episode today, my friend, we are going to talk about 5 weight loss affiliate programs that will pay you up to $4,600 per sale just to lose weight. Okay, let me ask you this. Maybe you are struggling with your weight and have been on the losing end for a long time. Maybe you don't have the time to get healthy and work out like you know you should. And well, what if you could finally shed all the excess pounds while fattening up your wallet at the same time? Imagine getting into that dress you've been eyeing for a long time, or imagine if you're one of my fellas, the ladies checking you out in your fitted tee and feeling like a boss. I mean, either way, if you're looking for affiliate programs that will pay you to lose weight, that have high commissions and are free and easy to start, then this may be for you. In fact, you will want to watch this video all the way to the end, because in this video you will discover how to eat like a king or a queen and still lose belly fat. 2, how to guarantee you lose weight even if you are busy with kids, a full-time job, and just plain tired. And the one program that pays you to bet that others won't hit their weight loss goals. Ooh, kind of nasty, right? And if you stay till the end of this video, I'll even share with you a program that pays you to get slim and sexy while never stepping foot into a gym ever. But before that, if you like videos about making money online, getting results, and living the choice lifestyle you deserve, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell to join the Choice Crusaders crew. Also, if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online that will empower you with the mindset and skill set to live free, then check out the link in the description below. All right, now let's get into today's video. Hey friend, all right, so welcome to the training. All right, so hey, let's get to it. 5 weight loss affiliate programs that will help you lose weight and get you paid at the same time. All right, so let's get right down into it. You might definitely want to stick to the very end of these, because I'm gonna go through ones that are like let you eat like really nice and still get paid, and to all the way to the ones where hey, you can actually bet that people won't make their weight loss program goals and you'll still get paid, which is crazy. All right, so let's get right down into it. All right, so we're gonna count them down. All right, so number 5 is Sunbasket. All right, so if you never heard of Sunbasket, it's actually pretty interesting. They're actually basically a meal prep company. All right, and it actually was founded by Justine Kelly. She's actually this chick that was actually off of Top Chef. So they're actually really well known. So they specialize in like organic, clean eating food. So basically it's real cool because you can get like inspired recipes that are the best quality, and then they do all the meal planning for you. So imagine if you're busy, you got to get to going, and you got a family and all that stuff. Hey, they can put these meals together for you, and they're all clean. So you can get paleo, vegan diet, whatever kind of diet you want, gluten-free, Mediterranean, pescatarian, diabetes friendly, whatever, and you can get to cooking. So it's actually pretty cool. And like I said, they use like all organic ingredients, and so all their food is non-GMO, no preservatives type stuff like that. And you'll see that the ingredients they use, all the produce and the meats are antibiotic free, hormone free. The seafood is wild caught, so it's pretty fresh stuff. So you're getting pretty good food, and the meals take about 30 minutes to make and stuff like that. So they're really not that bad. So, and of course, they have an affiliate program, right? And so if you click on their bottom link down there, it'll take you to there's some Sunbasket affiliates, and you can kind of check it out. And it's pretty basic program. I probably would say the program isn't the highest paying, so that you can earn about $20 per sale. And then they have cookies that last about 30 days. I think it's 30 days with the cookies and things like that. So it's pretty simple. You can obviously check it out here if you want to learn more to get part of this program and get paid to like eat at the same time, right? All right, so then what's number 4 for 5 weight loss affiliate programs so you can get paid with healthy commissions is Workout Anywhere. All right, so Workout Anywhere is actually pretty cool. They're basically a online digital training program. And so what's cool is that, let's say if you are basically the kind of person that has, you know, a busy life, you work full-time hours, things like that, but you need to work out, but you can't get to the gym, then this might be helpful for you, right? So what they do is they basically put together this entire program. These are the 2 of the founders, and they basically allow so you can do the workout program anywhere on any device. So you can do it on your phone, on your tablet, whatever. It takes you like 15 minutes, so they're quick quick exercises, and usually you don't need any weights. You can just like use your own body weight. So it's pretty cool. And so they have a whole app and everything where you will do it. And it's pretty cool. Like they're saying, it's a mobile app, workout anywhere, no minimum equipment is needed. And what's cool is that they also have coaching. They have community. They'll help you track your goals. You can do meal plans with this one as well. Original workout videos to help you with, all kinds of stuff. So they pretty much have everything here. So it's pretty cool. And then what's even nicer too is that they also have an affiliate program. So if you come out here, you can click in here and find it, and you'll see that you'll be able to earn $30 up to $150 for every customer you acquire. So cost customer per acquisition with the hottest fitness affiliate programs. And it's a recurring commission too, right? So that's lovely. We always love recurring money that you get paid over and over again, right? And you can earn just by representing the ultimate home and travel fitness program for busy moms and dads and earn money. So you can come here, take a look at it here to kind of learn more about the program. It's pretty basic. Here. They give you recommend sending leads to their Jumpstart page. So they have some stuff for affiliates to help you kind of make some money and things like that. So you can just kind of click here to get started in the program. And like I said, you can earn about $30 to $150 per customer that you sign up. And that's recurring every single month. So that's pretty good. That's some pretty good change right there. It's nice because you can have that recurring revenue. All right, what's the third affiliate weight loss program that you can check out to like help you get paid and stack the pounds of commissions is Maximum Slim. Okay, so Maximum Slim is actually a company. They specialize in like eco-friendly, high premium type products. All right, so you're gonna get a lot of different products that are gonna help you with your diet and help you lose weight, right? And so you can see some of their top sellers here. They got the protein shake, they got the classic cocoa coffee, and then your slim organic espresso, which is I believe that's probably one of their most popular products is the coffee. And then you got a detox kit, you got a slim kit, you got some other stuff here, hair growth elixir. They got all kinds of stuff. So it's all basically supposed to be eco-friendly, organic, clean. So you got organic protein, coffee, cocoa, tea, things like that. And they got some stuff here that you can check out. And what's cool too is that they also, not only do they have products, but they also have other stuff as well. They have like coaches that you can get, that you can work with, that will help you with your fitness goals. You can get talk to a nutritionist too. They got recipes that have been nutritionist approved, and they got a whole community as well. So it's pretty nice. If you need help, you need that community that's help you to kind of be your backbone to help you get to your weight loss goals, and that's something to check out. What's cool, they also have an affiliate program. So if you click on that, they'll take you to this page right here. And you can learn how to get paid extra cash if you refer others. So basically, you can earn a 25% commission for every new customer that you send their way. So that's pretty good. And then you can earn 25% commissions paid to you, and the referrals last for a whole year. So as long as they keep on paying, you continue to get paid. So that means your tracking cookie is gonna last for a long time, for at least a year. So that's pretty good. And so whatever the cost of the goods are, you're looking at about 25%. $60, $30. So it's pretty good, decent money to help you. At the very least, it can help you pay off whatever products that you do buy from them. You can get them from free when you promote these. So that's Maximum Slim. All right, so we getting it down to number two weight loss affiliate program to help you get paid pounds of commissions. All right, is Jillian Michaels. So I know you've heard of Jillian Michaels, right? She is she's been killing it. You know, she's ever since The Biggest Loser, which is probably where most people know her. That's why I remember her. She's been writing books. She's been an author. She's a well-known expert. She's an entrepreneur. She's got DVDs. She's got these whole programs and everything that she just basically helps you do everything. Helps you with your meal plans. Helps you with your personalized workouts. She's got community support. She's got DVDs and trainings and all kinds of stuff. You see her here. Don't be fooled though. She's photoshopped here. All right. But she still looks nice, and so you can probably look as nice as her as well if you probably do everything she's doing too. So it's pretty cool. So she's got a pretty good program here. As you can see, it's $15 a month, or you basically $90 a year to get part of everything. She's got a whole DVD library, and it's a 7-day free trial, so that's pretty good. Interactive workouts and programs. So this is cool because you can just do this off your phone, and you can just probably do all of these are not our body weight based. You got meal plans, all right. See, you got your different types: omnivore, vegetarian. She got tracking tools to help you keep track of what you're doing. A lot of testimonials and stories of people winning. So that's also always pretty cool. And then guess what? She also does have an affiliate program as well. And so if you go to the website, I'll leave a link in the description for the program. And basically, she's talking about how she's promoting it, right? When it first came out, it looks like it was 2017, but you could probably get access to it up there just by filling out the information here. And she doesn't talk about how much you can earn, but I was reading on another site that, let me pull out my calculator. The way I was reading it was that you can actually earn based on all the commissions and all the enrollment fees that someone else buys into. So there's like different tiers. So if you're between $0 and $2,600, someone spends $2,600, you'll get 70% of that. So 70% of $2,600 is like $1,800. That's how much you could make in one sale. And then there's a second tier that goes between $2,600 up to $5,600 at 80%. And then if you're like $5,600 and up, that's like tier 3, and that can be 90%. So if you do 90% of $5,600, so it's actually $5,200. Okay, so $5,200. So if you do 90% of $5,200, that's $4,680. Okay, so I wanted to show you where I got that number from. So that's how much you could potentially earn just by referring one person who gets involved in her program and purchases her $5,200 in worth of packages and enrollment fees. That's how much you could earn right there. 90% of the commission. That is pretty good. At least that's the way I understood it. All right. So yeah, definitely a good one here. High paying affiliate program for weight loss. Fill out your information here and you can actually get access, see if you qualify. And yeah, that's that. So hey, let's get to it. Number one weight loss affiliate program that pays high commissions, stack the pounds of commissions that you can check out right now is what? Healthy Wage. All right. So this is funny. When I talked about how you can make bets on people not winning, getting their challenges. So Healthy Wage is actually a really cool site that helps you create challenges for your wellness goals. All right. So if you you can make a personal weight loss bet, get your friends together for a team weight loss challenge, or compete in a corporate wellness program. So it's pretty cool because what it does is like psychologically psychs you into like taking action on your goals, right? And so you can challenge others. You can have your own personal challenge. They talk about how the power of challenges is shown that financial incentives and games are powerful weight loss tools, right? So it's really, really powerful. I like the psychology to help you kind of reach the goals that you want. And so you can see they've been featured on Good Morning America, Fox, ABC, doctors. So this is pretty legit. You can actually download the app as well. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, you can set up your own program, challenge, or you can set up a challenge with people that you know at your job place, and then just bet each other to see who's gonna win and make the bet. And they don't make it, you can win like thousands of dollars. In fact, they actually have other challenges that you can participate in, team challenges. You can win up to $10,000 for those challenges. So there's a lot of money to be made. But guess what? You can make even more money by becoming an affiliate as well. So how would you like to earn money for helping others win big, for losing weight and getting healthy? Well, that's the whole point of this video, right? So that's exactly what the program is about. So you can get access to that and become part of their programs. You can see you can earn $50 for each Healthy Wage sign up you generate, and then $30 for each team challenge participant that you generate. So those team challenges are where you can earn $10,000 contests, and those team challenges, if someone signs up, you get $30 for that. If you get someone who just signs up for Healthy Wage, you get $50 for that. The cookies last for about 30 days. And so that's pretty cool. It's pretty basic. It's the basics of the program. Click here to get signed up and fill in the information. It will take you to ShareASale, and ShareASale is the affiliate network, and you can just kind of read some more information and fill out the information and get access to that. All right, so that's our number one program right there. Hope you found value in it, right? All right, that right there is 5 high-powered weight loss affiliate programs that stack the pounds and pay you pounds of commissions. All right, you're earning pretty big, and while at the same time losing weight as well. All right, so I hope you found value and this was helpful for you. If you did, hey, definitely give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel right there. And hey, check out these other videos here on how you can make money online on this channel. And if you want to know my number one recommendation for making money online, then hey, check out the link in the description below, and also check out the bonus that I'm offering right now for a limited time. All right, so that's it. my friend. Hope this was helpful. Till the next exciting episode, be blessed, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.